back to the channel, guys. Hope you hear me clear. Don't know me on the river today. You get me, guys? On the main river, but Rio Grande. It's kind of dirty because the trucks are mine at the top of the water. At the head? Yeah, so come for the next second water here. I'm not sure how the visibility stay inside of it, but we are going to test it out and see if we can catch a few fish from it. See guys, let's see if we can find dinner today. You see me guys, so we're there up on the river. A couple of friends also cross the river. But you know I think we have one few we can catch today. And we might roast or so depending if we can find. So peeps, I see you supporting the channel. I really appreciate that, guys. I don't know, you guys might have heard what for the first channel, so I'm going to start a new one. Putting out the work same way to reach back the requirements where I can get monetized. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. The link to PayPal, or if you want to become a patron, is also down in the description. So you guys can go check that out. And feel free, if you want to donate, you can donate or whatever you choose to. You get me? So with that being said, guys, we're going to hop into the water, see if we can spear 2 fish and head home from this. So I'm going to just see what we can find. So no luck, the water kind of fuzzy, so because the thing we might do is might change location and go above where the trucks them are work and see if we can find any fish from there. You see me guys, because right now the water really fuzzy and I can't really see well, so I'm gonna have to change the river where I am at and go on a different river and see if we can find anything at all or we can get for roast. So yeah, journey along and so we can go out with and so we can get an idea. This is a waste of time. Can't see nothing. Dark. And now back to where I come out. Is that joke? Cowl? My God. Alright peeps, so we reach next river. Peeps, so you don't know that we reach back the second river now, so hopefully cleaner. You guys will see visibility. There's a guys in the water already. So the water kind of cold still, but test it out and see what can go. fish, mud fish. Yeah, peeps, so water cold. We only managed to get one sunfish. Only managed to get one sunfish, peeps, and I don't know, water get really cold. So I'm gonna go for a plum tree to see if we can find some plum. This guy is still in the water. I'm just walk right now. So guys, you don't get much luck these days at the river. You get me? So I don't know, just gotta go and look if we can find some plum. Yeah, and so I'll go on. Guys, look at this bird here. I don't know if you guys can see him. Okay, it just flew. Hey peeps, don't know, winter time now, water cold. So as I say, we're gonna look if we can find some plum. We don't know if any up on the tree, but hopefully, because right now I'm starving, so I know one fish we get. So right now I'm just gonna see if we can find some plum or we can eat, or some coconuts, and bring back, and we have the knife where we use it and cut them out and thing, you see me? It's like the plum tree wash away. Guys, the water cold like ice. So I cross the water now. We get to the other side. So we can look some coconut, guys. Stone and triple. Ah. Yes, reach cross. Hey peeps, reach cross, and I'll look see if we can find some coconut and stuff. Isn't it, guys? There was a plum tree right across there in the corner, but it seems like whenever the rain comes down, it keep on moving away the banks. So it seems it give way and the plum tree eventually washed away. That's sad, but that's the way of life, how it is. This coconut tree now, see if we can find anything on it. Or we can get a drink and get the meat from. You see it? So that are the pre right now. I could see if I go on, if people not pick them off already. Hey guys, see what I'm talking about? Coconut tree, we're in river. Drop down, find one. Find all of this. You see me? So I'm gonna bust this and get out the meat out of here. Look like something for that tree there. And cut this, it's cut already. Guys, so go on now. Tree fall down from the over there, so look at this. Coconut for days. But then hot. Yes, these are the coconuts. Oh, then that tastes good, man. That tastes good. Yes. I know next one we are looking at. Next one we are looking at. Let's eat out the meat out there. You say if your belly not hot, me don't name what my name. Peeps, the coconut empty is so good. Guys, again, coconut. Alright peeps, I don't know my thing go. Don't really go on, but today you're seeing me. It's a easy. I was home, had nothing to do, just came here from a river. See if we can find some fish or whatever, but there is no luck, so we'll have to go see one of these days. We'll look some lobsters and some fish on the reef, and we can do a cook up and so on, isn't it guys? But just stay here, see me. I look. I'm not going easy. Guys, right now we really need to get a new GoPro because right now this one give me so much trouble. You see me guys, currently I use a GoPro Hero 7. I need to get a new one soon, but I don't know, in due time we'll sort that out. We just have to go and use this one until down the line we can get a new one. You see me guys, so hope you all enjoy the video. It's not much, but I'm just showcasing a few stuff. You see me guys, so I hope you all enjoy it and stick and stay for the new adventures yet to come. You see me guys, because this wasn't planned. I was just home as I said and just say alright, can come a river. You see me guys, so yeah, the PayPal link down in the description if you want to support the channel, support me and so on. You can go out and make new content, buy stuff to do content same way, you see me guys, so yeah, just keep on supporting and keep watching. Guys, many of y'all may know oil nut. Yeah, here it is, I think. Yeah man, so we're there now. I'm gonna head back down to where the stuff are. Just away from the two guys that are forward. I don't know. We're gonna head back down and pack up the stuff there man, hit back on the journey, see what we can find along the road. Guys, this is the next thing, Cersei. You guys may know it. It's a really bitter bush. It's really good though. It's good for medical purposes also. Yeah, it's bitter, so must be good. Alright peeps, so I don't know, make it back from the river. Not never really gone, but still I go show you guys. You guys still so what's up, isn't me? So the next video I see I got a little better than this one. So I apologize, see maybe if you enjoy this one, but I don't know. The next video will be better, I promise. So yeah man, reach back up on the hilltop and now peeps. So you can see how I go on. Is it me? So I'll close off the video here. So I'll close off the video here peeps and catch you guys in another one. So until then, just stay safe and keep on watching. And remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, PayPal link in the description. Patreon link also in the description. So peace out for now peeps.